Hey, Travis, you bring up a really good point. When moving from a minor to a major, so C minor to F major, this won't work because what we're doing is, if we're looking at our right hand, we're going from an C minor to an F major, and really the movement should be, it has to be using the E flat. So instead of this motion, instead of using this counterbass, let's use the counterbass. That's not a part of the C minor. If you want to stay in the C minor, you got to use the E flat, which is here. It's doable, but it's a jump. So it has to be like this. Right? Yeah. You gotta do C minor, E with a C minor, F. Yeah. And then just your other part of your question, you've been playing around with a bit and discovered that the method only works if the beats remain constant and the switching happens with the same stanza. For example, if it's switching between stanzas where the end of one stanza ends with a C whole note, this technique doesn't work, for sure. If the stanza requires a C minor, you cannot end on the E flat. The E flat is just used as the stepping stone. It's just used for movement to somewhere else, right? We don't usually end with a 7 because that creates tension that needs to be resolved. Usually we end on the 1. Right, there's a finality to it. We don't usually end on the chord that demands movement, or we should end on the 1 where appropriate. Anyways, thanks for your question and thanks for clarifying that. So again, just to summarize, when we go from the 1 to the 4, the 1 major, C7 or C major, that's when we can use the E natural as a stepping stone. Or to the minor. But if going from a minor, we got to use this shape. We got to use the E flat in it. Yeah, thank you.